After a great week for rates 2 weeks ago, last week was basically dead even. We start this week right where we started the week before. Well, 1 basis point worse, no big deal. So what happened last week? Well, simple. The only real data that could have moved the needle was Tuesday's CPI data, but the numbers were as expected, showing inflation remains under control. That's a good thing. We're always worried about the cost of goods skyrocketing. What's going on this week? Super quiet week today, obviously, is MLK, so the markets are closed today. Nothing important Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got pending home sales. Thursday is the first day we'll have some data that could move the market, and that is PCE, Personal Consumption Expenditures. Now, if you want to learn more about this, we've got a video on that. Just check out the comments below. Also, what are the current rates right now? Well, the 30 years at 6.07, the 15 years at 5.6, and the FHA is at 5.75. Remember, those rates are according to Mortgage News Daily. They are not your actual rates, but I would be happy to give you some actual rates if you'll give me a call. Either way, we're hovering at or below, at or above that 6% number, looking for downward movement that will hopefully push us through that baseline and into the 5s. We are not that far away. I challenged you on this before. Do you have your 2026 housing goals? Well, if you don't, now's the time to start thinking about it. I'd love to talk you through whether that's staying in your current home, but finding out if your mortgage works better for you. Maybe it's a refinance. Maybe it's getting some equity out to do some home improvements or add some square footage. Maybe it's a sale of this house and a purchase of a new house. Either way, we're in a new year. It's going to be an exciting year, and I think you need to spend a little time determining whether you're going to have a housing need this year. If you want to talk through that with somebody, all you have to do is pick up the phone and give me a call, because at Weber Mortgage, we're a family in the business of helping families.